Hello everyone, so I am back with my new tutorial again. In this I have modeled a product that is modern chair. So watch this video till the end and thank you. So at first move on to general, now delete these. Now just select a sphere, now make it a little bigger and keep it upwards to the grid. Now delete this lower part and press R for rotating it. Place it here like this as per your choice. Now press shift D for duplicating and just you can make a duplicate copy of that like this. Now separate that, now hide that part. Now solidify it from here like this and apply it. So you can see, now add some edge over here and just extrude it like this. Give it a shape as per your requirement like this. So here it is. Now we will unhide our previously modeled duplicate sphere like this. Now just shape it properly as we are making its design of our modern chair. Here apply this solidify like this. Now move on to edit mode. Now edit this, press Ctrl B for beveling it here. So now smooth shade it as you can see. So we have completed with its basic shape. Now let's move further. Just arrange it properly and then delete this half of its face from here. Now select its edges like this. Now after selecting press Ctrl B and just bevel it from here as you can see and drag your mouse like this and scroll your mouse for the adjustment of your beveling part like this. Now mirror it here and then apply it. So here it is. Now let's make its cushion part. So for that I have took a sphere, no that's a cube, which I have subdivided it and then keep it over here and just try to give it a shape by going on sculpting mode here. Now just you can give it a shape of a cushion of our chair like this, just a simple one as per your choice. Otherwise you can also leave it as it is or you can make it more advanced, all depends upon you like this. So after giving it a certain shape like this, now press Ctrl 1 for subdividing it and then smooth shade it. Now again give it a shape like this until you are satisfied with it. So here use some tools from here for making your cushion more cool in looking like this. So you can see. Now don't forget to save your Blender file like this. Now this part is done. Now let's make its down part. So first of all shape it properly and let's move on for its down part. So select a cylinder from here and keep its vertices on 12 as you can see on my screen and then keep it here. Now drag its vertices and just place it over where it is required like this. So it's down part of this chair. So select this upper part and just keep it here, rotate it as per your choice, as per you require like this. So here it is and then select its bottom part and then let's give that a shape. So now add some edges over here loop cuts over here. Now separate these parts. As you can see, I have separated it. Now select it. Now solidify it a little like this. Now apply that, and after that duplicate it. Shift D for duplicating it, so it will add a little design on our chair like this. So as you can see, add some loop cuts tool over here for bringing the sharpness like this. Now after that you can just smooth shade it, solidify give it subdivisions like this. Now you can see, now extrude it from here like this, so you can see. Now again Control B for beveling it, for adding the curveness like this, and just press F for filling these. Now E and S for extruding it, inserting it. Now as you can see, and you can also change its proportion by looking at it carefully in all directions like this. So we have made till here. Just try to fix it properly. Whether you want to make it tall or short or dwarfed, as per your need, you can make it. So here it is. So this must be perfect like this. So once we have completed with it, now let's make its glass part from here. So select these faces like this. Otherwise you can also leave this part if you want. I'm just making it for looking more attractive like this. Just extrude it as it is the glass part of our chair like this. Now add some loop cuts tool over here for bringing the sharpness on it, and just place it properly where it is requiring. Like this, shape it properly from all the angles, as you can see. So after completing with that, now let's color it. So first of all, group these. Group those parts whose materials are same to be colored. So I have colored these parts on black, and you can also increase or decrease its roughness and metallic part as shown here. Otherwise you can also try different colors for making it look more attractive. Now let's make its glass. Here it will be a glass texture here. So as I am setting it, you can also set it on your PC. Otherwise you can also experiment for getting the more efficient results for your model here like this. I will also try to give its undercover part velvet texture. Velvet BSDF. I have applied velvet BSDF material from here and gave it a orange color. You can also decide your own color by thinking on your own imagination. Now give it some animation for the valve which we have made under it like this. So here it is, our final model of our chair. And you can also make several changes if you require. Otherwise you can make as per my instruction, as per seeing my video like this. So here it is. Now you can also add a background texture to it by going here and just select environment texture and bring your environment texture over here like this. You can see how cool it is looking like this. Now add one sunlight. If you require, you can add, otherwise it is nice like this. Now add a camera and then adjust the camera size like this. So I hope you like my tutorial, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and till then bye bye and take care.